officers will be
Yeah, we
disembarked.
arrived, guys.
These items are prohibited under Singapore law and may require a license. If you are unsure whether the item you have is prohibited, please
We
declare
arrived already.
it so that the immigration or customs officers may advise you. Dear guests,
Ayan, guys. We arrived already. So, we are... Nandito na tayo sa Singapore, guys. Nag-coffee muna. Okay, guys. We arrived here in Singapore, Terminal 4. Now, we're going to Dorset Hotel. So, we use the Grab. We book now. Okay, see you later, guys. Ayan yung order and this. Ayan yung order here in Changi Airport. So fast, no? Auto gate. So fast the auto gate. See, like, use the auto gate. Good coffee, good. Nila yung mga tinda. So tasty. There in Singapore Airport. Ayan. Ito po yung Singapore Airport. Malinis nila. Nag-antay lang ako ng Grab. Nag-book na po ako. So, see you later, guys. We're going to Dorset Hotel, Singapore. So nice the lights. Nice yung airport, right? So clean. Ayan, guys. So cute. Singapore. Ayan yung main door. And this is my room. This is my room. Ayan. And this is my outfit. So nice. Ayan, this is our bed. Carls, what is that? Okay. And so nice. Okay na, guys. Mag-relax muna ako, guys. Ang lamig-lamig. Malamig. Yung room nila kasi may camera. Design ata yan. Ayan. So, baliktad yung ayan. Self video. Wala tayong videographer. So, first step, maghanap na tayo ng money changer. Kasi, dito na pala ako sa may labas. Ayan, sa main road. Hanapin natin yung money changer. Ba't malamig na mainit? Auntie. By Garden by the Bay. See? Ako ng money changer. Wala na akong makitang money changer. Chinatown naman sa loob. Dito, guys. So, balik tayo sa ating dadaanan. Mas okay na yung magtanong kaysa mag-ikot-ikot ka, no? Ang layo. Eh, wala pala. So, ganyan talaga. Hanap tayo. Doon sa may unahan. So, nice. First time ko siya napuntahan, guys. Oh, nice. Naghanap lang ako ng money changer. Wala pa rin ako nakita. Pero sa kabila, papunta tayo doon. Aakyat tayo dyan. So, ayan. Yung first time ko itong napuntahan dito. So nice. Guys, nice dito guys. Ayan. Ikot ko kayo konti. Ayan po yung main road. Parang park a little bit. So nice. Ayun yung hotel ko doon. Ayun yung hotel ko. Ang layo ko nang nalakaran. So ayun yung main road. So dito tayo. Oh, init. So like that. Ayan, Singapore guys. So nice the lights. Nahanap ko din yung money changer guys. Dito lang pala sa kabila. Ayun, may mga restaurant dyan. Namaya kakain tayo. Kapalit muna tayo ng dollars. Oh, dito lang pala. Ang bango-bango ng bread. May natin silang tenda.
一点四五约了。
Ayan po siya. Hindi ko lahat inubos. So, gagamitin pa yung pera. So, bibili tayo ng milk and water. Mayroon sila dito guys. Wow. Is duck o gabi? Parang manok. Ikutin natin konti tong area na to. Wow, sarap. Gusto kong kumain. Gutom na ako. Ayun, madaming money changer dito. Oh. Ayun. Oh, next no. Mag-train kasi malayo. Ay. Wow. Try ko nga ito. May pork na lang. Chapat. Ito, try natin bilhin. Bili ng snacks. Mamaya lalabas kami ulit. Cara sweet potato balls. Ano yan? Mixed vegetables. Okay. Mantika siya. Pero bili tayo ulit. Isa lang. Snacks. How much?
小妹2磅哦，2磅24块。
Hindi ako narinig. Snack na natin yan. $8. Ayan. Snack natin. Guys, this area, a lot of food. Dito pa tayo. Wow, ano po? Mahilig ako sa mga pau-pau. Mahilig ako sa pau-pau. Dito pa tayo. Wow, wala yung food. Ayan, mamantika nga food. Ayan, marami dito. Jackfruits. Okay na, walang ano, 7-Eleven. Ng water. Nabigat na yung bag ko. Ayan. Too big. So, okay, we're going back. So, first time ko dito ha, pumunta. Interesting. So interesting this area guys. In Singapore. Chinatown. It's Chinatown. So nice talaga yung view. Amazing. Ayan yung view. So nice. Ayan yung view guys. Ikot ko kayo konti. Chinatown. Ayan. Gusto ko pang umikot pero yeah, first time ko maglakad-lakad dito, guys. May food restaurant din sa malapit sa hotel. Ayun guys, super init. Ayun. Ayan mo, so far super hot. Dito na tayo sa hotel. Dito muna tayo. Ayan. My favorite is one. May sesame. Malapit na. Well, kaili lang siya. Yeah. Test natin. Sarap. Meron pa naman sa loob. And then so kind of binili natin maraming oil. Oily. Ayan, dumpling. Ayan. Mantika. Sarap. One, two, three, four, five. 10 pieces, $5. Same. Gawa tayo ng tea. Tingnan natin dito. Yan. Gawa tayo ng tea. Ayan, mainitan sila ng tubig. Mamantika. Oily the food. Okay. We're going to swimming pool, guys. So this is my outfit. Inom muna tayo ng tea. Ayan. My tea. Kasi mamantika yung kinain ko. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin ng honey. May dala akong honey. Ayan. May dala akong honey, guys, sa bahay. Honey. Lagyan natin. See? Yung green tea natin. Konti lang. So sweet this one.
너무 졸라 기지는 나갔지만 네가 너무 착해 보여 그냥 몇 번 만났어
So, diba? Lazy to go round. So, bukas po siya, bukas. Pwede ka magugas ng kamay doon. So cute this dress. Tayo sa Vietnam restaurant, guys. We are ito. Starter is coconut. Sa Singapore, rice. Coconut guys. Coconut. Careful, later we go around here. We ride the monorail. Cebu City. I'm back. So, here we go. Ayan, Bigo yan. I-press lang siya. Ayan. So, this is my Tausa, guys. Grabe ka color. And we're going close.
Next stop, Resorts World Station.
Nandito na tayo sa Sentosa, guys. Kasi gusto ko yung may lights. Oh, just arrived. Laging gutom ang ating. Video na lang tayo, guys. Wala pa yung lights na inaantay ko. Parang dito yun. Ayan. Ayan po yung baba. So nice, diba? Dito yun eh. Silver. Going back to Kuala Lumpur, our home. A lot of time. It's too early. Going down. Kasi nandun yung coffee and bread. Nasa baba kami kumain, mag-coffee. Aakit kami ulit sa taas. Okay guys, see you later. And this is it. We're going to So clean. And here we go. Nandito na tayo sa loob, guys. Terminal 4. Best airport in the world. Changi Airport, guys. So nice. Ayan. Ito po yung location namin. Ayan o. So nice. Diba? Nice. go back home guys. Expensive here in Singapore. Dollars. Hello guys, papasok tayo sa best toilet in the world. Ayan, ito po yung entrance ng female. So, oh, wow, amazing. See? Best toilet in the world. Ayan, best toilet in the world. Ayan. Ayan, best toilet in the world. See? Wala kayong ganyan. Dito lang yan sa Singapore. Ayan. Ayan, best toilet in the world. Nakisalamin lang. So, diba? Guys, best toilet in the world. So, here we go. So nice the airport here. So clean. Nice. Thank you guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.